If you're like most New York self-employed folks, you're probably wondering what's the best way to structure your business. Or you may already be considering an LLC, but you're not really sure where to start. Hi, I'm Sarah from Collective, the formation, tax, and accounting solution for self-employed people. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up an LLC in New York in just a few steps. Step 1, name your New York LLC. The first step is to come up with a name that is unique, available, and adheres to New York's naming rules. Your LLC must contain the words limited liability company or LLC. Step 2, designate a registered agent. A registered agent is someone who receives official legal documents for your LLC. In New York, the LLC's registered agent must be the New York Secretary of State, but you can name an additional New York resident or registered agent business as your registered agent, although it's not required. Step 3, file articles of organization. You'll submit official formation documents known as articles of organization to the New York Department of State. You'll need to provide your business name, address, purpose, management strategy, intended duration, and the registered agent's contact information. There's a $200 filing fee for domestic LLCs and a $250 filing fee for foreign LLCs, meaning LLCs that are from other states. Step 4, publish a notice of formation. Within 120 days after your articles of organization go into effect, you're required to publish a notice of formation in 2 newspapers in the county where your LLC is located. And you'll have to run that notice once a week for 6 consecutive weeks. Once the notices have run, the newspapers will provide you with an affidavit of publication. You'll then use these affidavits to complete and file the certificate of publication with the Department of State, which is a $50 filing fee. Step 5, receive a certificate of formation from the state. After filing the formation documents, your state will send you a certificate that confirms the existence of your LLC. This certificate will enable the LLC to get what's called an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, business license, and a business bank account. Step 6, get an Employer Identification Number. You'll need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS to identify your LLC for tax purposes. You'll use your EIN to file and manage taxes at the state and federal level, open a bank account, and hire employees. You can get your EIN for free via the IRS online portal. Step 7, file a statement of information every other year. The last step to maintain your LLC is you need to file a statement of information every other year by the end of the anniversary month that your business was formed. You'll pay a $9 filing fee, and that's it. Starting an LLC in New York is a simple process that anyone can do. But if you need help setting up your New York LLC, we got you. Go to collective.com and learn how we can help you with your business formation, taxes, accounting, and bookkeeping. And if you've enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe below, and be sure to check out the additional resources linked in the description. Thanks for watching.